Hi children, a very good morning to everyone. Today we are talking about gender. Gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female persons. For example of male persons, men, boy, and masculine gender of animals. For example, boy, uncle, grandfather, father. These are the examples of masculine gender. Women, girls, and female animals are of the feminine gender. For example, sister, mother, aunt, and grandmother. Now we see the animals with male and female. Fox, vixen, gander, goose, drake, duck, ram, eve, stag, hind, rooster, hen are the genders of male and female animals. A noun that can refer to both male and female is of the common gender. For example, that is a cute baby. Here, baby is a common gender. There are some more examples in our grammar book. Let us refer afterwards. A noun that refers to a thing that is neither male nor female is of the neuter gender. For example, Nikki and Ricky are good singers. Here, singers is a neuter gender because boy and girl referring to same. So it is called neuter gender. All common nouns that refer to non-living things are of neuter gender. For examples, the pillow is soft. Pillow is a non-living thing. All common nouns that refer to non-living things are of neuter gender. We use the pronoun it for neuter gender. It is my pillow. Here, it is referred to pillow. Pillow is non-living thing. It is my cot. Then it also pronoun. Cot is non-living thing. Genders are four types: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. We have discussed all these genders. We do exercises in our grammar book. You have learnt about masculine, feminine, common, and neuter gender. Now we see the examples of masculine and feminine. Sometimes we add es to the masculine gender. When you look at author, authoress, host, hostess, poet, poetess, prince, princess, shepherd, shepherdess, hair, heiress, line, lioness, priest, priestess. Yes, they gave here shepherd, masculine gender. Shepherds is feminine gender. Yes, children, but printing mistake, it came here and this one came here. But shepherd is masculine gender, shepherdess is feminine gender. And also we see another words adding ess after leaving the final vowel. Final vowel. Actor, actress. Governor, governess. Inspector, inspectress. So removing wo. Negro, negress. Editor, editress. Monitor, monitress. Hunter, huntress. Tiger, tigress. When you observe these words, you find this o letter here, e letter are taken when we write the feminine gender. Feminine gender. Is it so? Yes. Here we find actor. When you pronounce actor. But when we read actress, tress. Yes. Here we don't pronounce wo. Governor, governess. Yes, children. In this way you have to understand these words. And by adding es in a irregular manner. Emperor, empress. Headmaster, headmistress. God, goddess. Master, mistress. Yes. In compound nouns by changing word showing male into female. Beggar man, beggar woman. Father-in-law, mother-in-law. He goat, she goat. Male servant, female servant. Peacock, peahen. Stepson, stepdaughter. Brother-in-law, sister-in-law. Grandfather, grandmother. Landlord, landlady. Milkman, milkmaid. Stepfather, stepmother. Washerman, washerwoman. Yes, these are. And changing the word. Here we find bachelor, maid. Boar, sow. Brother, sister. Bull, cow. Cock, hen. Colt, filly. Drake, duck. Father, mother. Gander, goose. Horse, maid. Hero, heroine. Lad, lass. Monk, nun. Ox, cow. Sir, madam. Stag, hind. Widower, widow. Boy, girl. Bridegroom, bride. Buck, do. Bullock, heifer. Dog, bitch. Drone, bee. Fox, vixen. Gentleman, lady. Husband, wife. King, queen. Lord, lady. Nephew, niece. Papa, mama. Son, daughter. Uncle, aunt. Wizard, witch. Yes, children, whenever you get time, read every day at least 10 words and understand. Then you will very free to write feminine gender to masculine gender or masculine gender to feminine gender. Understand, children? So these are the masculine and feminine genders examples. Yes children, sometimes these are told like this: natural objects known for their strength or greatness are masculine. Suppose when you look at the sun, death, summer, time, famine, war, storm, flood, according to their strength, they are called to be masculine gender. Strength or greatness are masculine gender. The sun we pronounce he. We could call it he. Death also he. Summer he. Time according to their strength. Here moon, the earth, spring, nature. Here these things are spoken, their beauty, grace and beauty. So these are called as feminine gender. Nouns of virtue are feminines. Feminines. So faith, hope, charity, mercy, love, truth, justice are called feminine gender. The words like sheep, train, motherland, fatherland are treated as feminines. Yes children. So sometimes we give he or she to the things where we write or speak. So these are the things where we have to use he, and these are the things where we have to use she. Yes, common gender. Common gender also you learnt in starting of this video. Yes children, artist, baby, bird, child, cousin, doctor, enemy, friend, member, manager, monarch, minister, orphan, person, poet, pupil, speaker, student, teacher, winner, writer, etc. Yes, these are common gender. In common, child means there may be a boy or girl. Baby also the same thing. Cousin also same thing. Doctor, like that. In neuter gender, we always give for non-living things. Most lifeless objects are neuter gender. Lifeless objects means non-living things. Non-living things. And also, you have small exercises. Already you have gone through these words in referring these pages, or some are not known, but try to complete this 8th exercise, 9th exercise and 10th exercise. Yes children, after completing this, you send to my WhatsApp number. Yes children, some of you not sending your homeworks on time. Please try to send your homeworks. When you made mistake, I will correct and send you. Then you could correct that mistake in your book. It is easy for you to do your work or complete the exercises. It is very, very helpful to complete your exercises whenever you write it. Yes. Thank you very much for watching this, and try to send your homeworks on time.